Today, we are going to learn how to crop a photo into a heart shape using an iPhone. Show me how, Jake! First, go to the App Store and search Love Collage. Choose the third app down, entitled Love Pic, and download it. Then open the app, exit out of Start Like a Pro, choose Heart Collage, watch 30-second advertisement, then click the X in the top right corner when finished. Choose the first heart collage and then choose your photo. Then click the arrow Next. Drag photo to adjust. Then click the arrow Next. Then click the photo option to save. Looking at the saved photo in the camera roll, we will see a Love Collage watermark. We want to get rid of that. We were using the Photoshop Express app free version to delete the watermark. Click Photo Editor, then select Heart Photo, then scroll at the bottom until you get to Draw and select Draw. Select Color, then select Color White. Zoom in and paint white over the watermark. Save photo when finished, and then you're all done. Thank you.